Hey, what's up, Becky? Good morning. This is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click this video and watch it. I had spoke with Deidre in you guys' office about a week or two ago about sending you just a quick video on some things you could do to help improve your website to bring in more traffic through it. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making this video, we just find that a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to actually make the internet work for themselves to bring in more business. And typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And typically, when we get these attack plans out for free, people will still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you take care of this stuff for me. So, at the end of the video, you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and can be an asset to help grow you guys' business. Definitely let me know. I'd love to talk more about it. And again, if you just want to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, be my guest. That works fine with me too. I just hope you find it helpful. So what I want to go over is how to make you guys' website more authoritative, how to make you guys more trustworthy, and how to get you ranked locally in the Google Map Pack. And actually, as soon as I say that, I remember you guys are actually at the top for your area, so don't need my help there. But just a couple quick things I noticed, like this looks like a professionally built website. I would be led to believe you guys have probably already partnered with someone that's doing at least at a minimum web development or web design, if not SEO work. You guys' website looks good. You're ranking for buyer intent keywords. The only thing I noticed, like, there's just little bitty stuff like this $7 service fee. Like, if that was smaller, that would look more neat. I want to little other things too. And again, you guys are like you're starting off doing a lot better than 95% of the people that we end up coming in contact with. But little stuff like about air conditioning services in, like there's no space. I know that's not a big deal, but to the one person that notices that, it's just a little bit off-putting. Um, but yeah, so that is that. One thing too, we'll see if you guys are aware of it or not. Let me see. HVAC company, snow, but so close. Go back through and save your images as a keyword, and I'll show you what I mean by that too. Let me see. Some of the keywords that you guys are ranking for that are buyer intent, like heating and air, Amarillo, HVAC Amarillo, Texas, air conditioning, Amarillo, Texas. Let me find those are the examples, right? You want like just that keyword in that image and take out the logo and stuff like that, and that'll help you guys out as well. The main thing that to keep in mind is you guys are doing good in the way of content, but to be considered authoritative, the average homepage on Google has at least 1,800 words. I put you guys information over in the word counter. You're sitting at 1,200, not far off, but again, just to make sure you guys are giving yourself the best chance possible at ranking organically, because you guys are doing great and the website looks good, but you're nowhere on the first page for an organic search result like HVAC contractor Amarillo, Texas. So that the thing that will help you guys out is saving your images as buyer intent keywords and then adding about 800 more words of content so you guys have more than the guys you're competing with. Okay. Moving forward, how to make it more trustworthy. That's all based on how many relevant backlinks you have from other relevant websites that are, relevant to your industry. And you can see you guys only have 5. That's not a bad start. It appears as if you guys have just recently paid someone to take over the web design. I don't know if they're doing monthly SEO work for you or not, but I can kind of show you what that's going to be based around. You want this ratio, URL rating to domain rating, to be a 1-to-1. And again, that all balances out based on how many other relevant websites you guys have backlinks for. Okay, since you guys don't have any, Amarillo Air these guys are like the first actual company to pop up in the organic search results, so we'll use them for an example. Go make an account at Muzu. This is a great one. I see a lot in y'all's industry. A lot of people don't know about it. Go make an account with Muzu, and I'm not sure if you have to pay for it or not. That's up to you guys. But if you could get an account there with your backlink for your website on Muzu, that's a great one. Small Biz Pages US is like any basic Linux dealer is probably a good one that's relevant to HVAC and stuff like that. But you get the gist, right? You don't want spammy websites linking back to you or like pizza companies pointing back to you because you guys don't make pizzas, right? So that's how to gain trust. And then you guys are already sitting at the top of the local map pack. If you ever find, I don't know if again if you know about this or not already, but the secret here is just based on how many citations you have, which is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet. So if any of these guys ever start to overtake you, just go make sure that you guys are in the same directories as them, and then add yourself to like 50 more on top, and you'll keep this first position and never lose it. So. Yeah, Miss Becky, that's pretty much all I got for you. I know it was a bunch of information, but just a quick recap. All in all, it looks like you guys are headed in the right direction. Your guys' website looks great. There's just room for some minor improvement here. Content is king. You're sitting at 1,200 words. If you were to add it 800 and get up to 2,000, you guys are going to do much, much better as far as the organic search results and getting ranked for the keywords that you want to rank for. And another thing, use this opportunity to save your images as a keyword and take out like your name and logo and stuff like that. Just save that as one of those buyer intent keywords. Make sure backlinks you guys get moving forward are all relevant to your industry, or you will lose trust and essentially shoot yourself in the foot. And then, yeah, you guys are already up top here. Just make sure you stay on top of your citations and don't let these guys get more than you. Yeah, Miss Becky, that's pretty much it. I'll get this video over to you shortly. Like I said, if you just want to take this information, apply it, run with it yourself, I hope you find it helpful. That's totally fine. And if for whatever reason you did want to talk more about what we could do to help grow you guys' business, I'd love to talk more about it. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. That's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Becky. Y'all have a good one. Bye.